Good Friday morning, and thanks for checking out your Mr. Quik forecast. Colder out there this morning. We enjoyed some warm temperatures yesterday. This morning we had that cold front come through with temperatures in the 20s, and temperatures aren't going to warm up a whole lot today. The good thing is today will actually be the coldest day throughout this entire forecast. Should see partly sunny skies, a little bit of sunshine this morning. I think we will see mostly cloudy skies as we go into the afternoon. There was a snow chance that we mentioned for areas south of Indy tonight, and that system continues to push further south, mainly in Kentucky now. So we look to stay dry. So if you have plans tonight, weather should be just fine. Temperature's going to be pretty cold, but otherwise we should be just fine. And looking at the weekend, Saturday, looking really nice here with sunshine and warmer temperatures. Tomorrow we should get to about 37. Along with mostly sunny skies. So let me show you that system for tonight, which again is going to be way down to our south. Areas like Evansville, Indiana, down towards perhaps Elizabethtown, Kentucky, seeing some snow. But up here we stay dry, so no weather concerns. And then this leads us to a nice day tomorrow with warmer temperatures and sunshine. So get out and enjoy Saturday. Should be a great day if you need to run around or do whatever, any errands you have planned. The weather should be good. Sunday will be a little bit of a different story. Going to be an unsettled day with some very light wintry mix out there. Looks like a few snow showers Sunday morning, and then we'll mix with some light rain Sunday afternoon. Looking at the forecast data here for Sunday, again, this isn't a major system. Could bring some minor snow accumulation on Sunday morning, and then on the afternoon Sunday, as we warm up, we could see some light sprinkles mix in with that as well. So not a great weather day Sunday. I don't think there's going to be precipitation all day, but definitely enough to kind of make for a raw day there. Temperature of 38 Sunday afternoon, and then next week we start the week dry. President's Day should be pretty nice, and then as we go into Wednesday, our next system, once again another chance of a wintry mix, but we keep those temperatures for highs in the upper 30s, as some days close to 40. So keep in mind, precipitation types will be more rain or a mix because of these warmer temperatures that we are expecting. So overall seasonal temperatures for this time of the year as we go throughout the next week. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.